Looking at a legend in the flesh. Fresh about the kitchen to the check. Blew a quarter key on the set. Hold up. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. I pose. Photo shoot.
What it do, baby? Welcome to Kera's 12 Days of Christmas. So today is day number 1, day number uno. And we're just gonna get this place all Christmassy. So like we could all be in the spirit of Christmas. Because right now there's no Christmas decorations in like my whole house. And like it don't feel like Christmas. Like it's December, but where's the Christmas? So yeah, so I'm gonna do what I do best. And we're gonna get some little sprinkles, some little Christmas around here. So keep watching and see me decorate for Christmas. Okay guys, so this is Kera's corner. So this is where I mostly film, in this little corner. My vanity is here, TV stand. So right now we're gonna go through this. We're gonna wipe down the counters, you know how you clean, like clean your mirrors, wipe down your counters, take off what don't need to be there. And then we're gonna add some new stuff. So this part we're gonna speed it up. Okay guys, let's go. So I cleaned up everything, put everything that needed to go away, and now we have like a blank canvas, and now we're just gonna put all the little Christmas knickknacks everywhere. So I'm gonna take off my sweater because I thought I was gonna go back outside, but apparently not, and these lights are no joke. So break. So I'm gonna change a little bit, get comfier. Yeah. Okay guys, so I changed, took off my sweater, and now we're gonna get into this little Christmas tree. And let me just say that I like this new setup. I think I'm gonna start 12 Days of Christmas. We're gonna have this setup. No more trapped in the corner. We're gonna be out here. Tell me what y'all think about this little new setup. So now for the tree, y'all gonna see me fight with this tree. Baby, when you left, I lost a part of me. It's not hard to believe we belong together. We're not zero. Actually, Alexa, play Christmas music. Jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell and jingle bells. It's jingle bell has begun. Hey, jingle rock, jingle rock, jingle. Alright, so Christmas tree is up, and then I got these ornaments from Target for like $12. I got these as well for $8. The tree was like $14. It was on sale. And then I found these M&M's ornament. So this, maybe it's like big on the tree, but you know, it might just, my greedy self just wanted some M&M's, honestly. But it also is an ornament, so it counts, right? I think so. So yeah. So now we're gonna put our ornaments on our tree, starting with the cream ones, the cream and gold set, because this one is cuter, honestly. So Lego. We're just gonna put M&M underneath the tree, but yeah, because I can't risk her falling and dropping other stuff. So yeah, this is our tree. Okay guys, so addition to like my little Christmas decorations, I'm gonna show you a few other things that I got from Target today. So my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna speed through this. I got some candy canes, and I also got like 2 of these gift boxes that have like the Santa, so these are cute. Yeah, just regular gift box. So I got 2 of these.